Yo, what's up, guys? It's 100 special day, and today we're gonna do a $300 PC build. So yeah, make sure you put like, subscribe, and share, and all the parts it's gonna be in video description. Let's go. We're gonna choose the AMD Ryzen 3. It's come with integrated APU using Vega 8. Yes. So we're gonna see why it's incompatibility here because you just need the flash, the BIOS, and everything is gonna be good. For the RAM, we're gonna go with Corsair Vengeance LPX 8 GB. So I really recommend if you have an APU, you really need a dual channel RAM, 8 GB. Don't go with 4 GB, 8 GB, dual. Dual channel is gonna be really great. And if you have, I really recommend if you have integrated APU. So yeah, RAM Kingston A400, 2400, 214 GB. Aircool Cylon ITX Mid-Tower case, Thermaltake Smart Series 430 watt. And my English is so bad in the number, yeah, because it's not like the necessary language in my country because I live in Morocco. We speak Darija, so yeah, I'm really trying to upgrade the pronunciation of the number. So yeah, for the monitor, I actually gonna go with the 60 Hz this time because if you like playing with 720p, you cannot like have 144 hertz or 165 hertz. It's really impossible. So we're gonna choose actually a full HD. You can play actually full HD in this and this gaming PC. Yeah, gaming PC. So I'm gonna choose the cheap one. Yeah, this is it. Or actually, let's go $100. And yeah, this is the bed. Make sure you put like, subscribe, and share. And you need to see the price with no monitor. This is the price. It's coming a little bit over. So yeah, make sure you put like, subscribe, and share. I love you guys. Peace.